We just came from there. Nice bit of graffiti. It's up here at Creek. We're going to go this direction, right? Well, guess what, folks? We just came to a dead end. Well, not a dead end. It does go into the water. But I don't think we can go that way, so we've got to head back. Okay, we're going to try the drone here. It's our second time ever. And we're going to be a little dangerous and fly it over the water here. Try and fly it up that direction, see what happens. That's the controller, and there's the drone. Hit the button twice, and it powers on. Take the legs out.
I know that was wrong. Guys, don't follow this. I should have done the legs.
Take the rear legs first, and then the front legs, right?
The legs first, yeah. Oh, what's going on?
They swing down. Swing down. Yep.
That was wrong. It's okay. Okay.
Connect the cable. She finally decided to take her gloves off. Thought that was a marvelous idea. Here's the drone. She's on the ground, ready to go. Not sure if Ronna wants to take the risk or I will take the risk. We've decided that the pilot is responsible if anything goes awry.
Okay, here we go, folks. Basil is starting to fly the drone. Here you go. Okay.
So I'm going to take the risk. If I damage the drone, I'm going to pay for it.
Yes, you have to. Okay, here you go.
Taking off.
Taking off. There it is, guys. So don't drop it in the water. I think he's having a difficulty. There you go.
Got me too.
Alright, lads. This is Basil suffering. And this is the drone. Oh my god. The drone, I don't know if the drone is gonna come back safely or not. Oh my god. Okay, it's coming. It's coming back.
Drony boy, come back to me. You look like you were leaving me. I lost contact. I thought you didn't love me anymore. Baby.
What is this he's doing? Now you have to... No, you can't do that. You have to land him.
I don't have to. I can drop him, right?
No. I don't know.
How do I land him? Remember?
You have to put the drone back in here. In this. Put the drone here. Here, put the drone here. Okay. I don't know you. Okay, now. Now you can land.
Oh. Okay, Ronna's going to try the drone this time. Remember, the water's right here. There she is. Watch the trees. This is the droney. You're over water, baby. I don't know how well that home button works. I've never used it, so it's probably not the place to experiment, but as we're over water,